Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about some very good stocks for swing trading that we can take tomorrow. And if you guys like the video, please like and share the video. Let's start the analysis with Bank Nifty, guys. Let's go for 15 minutes time frame. And as you guys know, in my past video I told the Bank Nifty after breaking this trend line it can reach up to 36,500. And what the Bank Nifty did is it broke this trend line and it went sideways. And let's see what the Bank Nifty can do tomorrow. If the Bank Nifty made a 15 minutes red candle here, this support will not help the Bank Nifty, so the Bank Nifty can reach up to 36,400. And if the Bank Nifty makes a 15 minutes green candle here, so it will go above this trend line, and we can see the Bank Nifty touching 36,800. And the next target for the Bank Nifty will be 37,000. And that's all for the analysis of Bank Nifty, guys. Let's go for the stocks. The first stock will be Amara Battery. And if we do a weekly time frame analysis, we can see that the Amara Battery has reacted. Sorry, give me a moment. The Amara Battery has reacted from its support and made a very good green candle. And if we go for the daily time frame analysis, we can see that the Amara Battery is making a flag and pole pattern. So you guys can go along on this stock having a sell off below this pin candle 710, and the minimum target for the stock will be 740, and the later the stock can even reach up to 780. And the next stock will be India Bull Housing Finance. So if we do a daily time frame analysis, you guys can see that the India Bull Housing Finance is trying to break this trend line, but here is a learning thing for you guys. That is, let's go for weekly time frame. And if you guys observe in the weekly time frame, it is at its support and it is trying for a breakdown here. So what most of the time will happen is it will give a breakdown that will be a false breakdown, and it will make a very strong week upside, and it will start to move up. So what you guys can do is you guys can go along with the stock having a sell off below this green candle, which is 220. The minimum target for the stock will be 250. And the next stock is SAIL. So after selling in SAIL for number of days, it has made a reversal by making a double pattern and it has consolidated. So what you guys can do is you guys can go along on the stock having a sell below this candle, which is 119, and the minimum target for the stock will be 130. And the next stock is UBL, and you guys know that this kind of pattern will give a very huge momentum in future. So you guys can go along on the stock having a sell of 1560. The minimum target for the stock will be 1650. Later the stock even reach up to 1700. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.